Alright, I'm down here behind my house in Georgetown, just off of Old Charleston Road. And I'm taking a look at the soils now. It's mainly sand, but it's a little heavier on the clay content than it was some of those planted stands we were looking at in lab the other day. Climate's pretty typical for South Carolina. Pretty mild climate. Topography here is kind of a low spot, like a depression. There's like a bay right back here. You can see it kind of opens up, holds a little bit of water, so it's a little wetter in the soils, a little more poorly drained than what we were looking at the other day. Dominant overstory, definitely pines, as you can see. Still a lot of hardwoods kind of close to this bay, this depression back here though. So let's see. Dominant overstory is definitely longleaf pine, but there's a lot of little water oaks. Looks like some privets and stuff like that in the understory. Organic matter, I'm not sure if you can see it. It's getting kind of dark out here. Lots of organic matter, lots of it. Pine needles, leaves, and probably another 2 inches of just nice organic matter underneath that. If flooding was to hit this area, definitely this area is not going to be able to take it because it is already a depression. Soils are poorly drained. This area is prone to flooding as it is, so the water level is probably 40 yards back that way. I can expect that much rain is probably going to be on up into the drier parts of where I'm standing now. If this place lit fire, it's going to burn hot. There's lots of organic matter, lots of fuel on the forest floor for it to burn. Wouldn't take much to get it going either. Even though it is kind of wet down that way, there's still a lot of dry fuels. Pine needles, they burn pretty good. So, pine beetle outbreak. Yeah, I suspect that it do damage. Do some work on this forest, given that it's mainly pine. That would take out the whole overstory. The dominant cover type it would wipe that out. So that's pretty much the video on this forest here. I'll try to give you a better look. Mainly pines down here. There's the bay right back there. Soil type, poorly drained. Lightning. This place is going to burn. Forest floor is heavy with fuels. Flood. This area couldn't hold it. And pine beetle outbreak. Definitely going to take out my dominant cover type.